How to have whiter teeth. 6 tips for healthy white teeth. Tips for whitening teeth naturally. Methods to have whiter teeth. How to have whiter teeth. In this video, you will learn that with time, the teeth turn yellow or stain. These inconveniences are accentuated if you have bad habits, too sweet food, smoking, high consumption of coffee or tea, etc., and if your enamel is very porous. Do not panic, however, to find teeth whiter and healthier without breaking the bank. You just need to apply some tips and know the foods that make the teeth white or stain. All you need to know to have an irresistible smile is how to whiten teeth, and what foods help to keep them white or stain them. Tea, coffee, grape juice. Many foods can stain teeth, yellow them or damage them. Find out how to have healthier and whiter teeth. But contrary to what someone can also think, the color of the teeth does not come only from hygiene and brushing. It is determined in a genetic way, but it also depends on the contrast, color of skin, toothing, and gingiva-denture. Some foods or colored drinks also make teeth yellowing, such as tea, coffee, red wine or cigarettes. Finally, time does not help the case. Enamel is made up of microscopic crystals and is designed to protect teeth from the effects of chewing, squeaking, and acid attacks caused by sugar. But over the years, the enamel wears out, becomes more and more transparent and makes visible the brownish color of the dentine. Because of this wear, millions of microcracks occur on the enamel. It is in these roughness that accumulate debris and stains. The surface stains, at first, can be eliminated with a good regular brushing. But this is not enough for the internal stains that result from microcracks, aging, but also exposure to antibiotics during the formation of teeth or excessive application of fluoride. In this case, you may be tempted to use a product, hydrogen peroxide, to lighten teeth, not always effective. How to have whiter teeth. Considering the fact that you want to have white teeth now and not in 10 years, fortunately there is a range of methods more effective in the short term and not always known to whiten your teeth, and we have selected the most effective. 1. The lemon against the pie allows teeth whitening. In addition to having many health benefits, lemon is also an ally that allows you to have whiter teeth. The citric acid it contains helps fight against tartar, that is to say, the thickening of the dental plaque, partly responsible for the yellowing of the teeth. In addition, calculus can cause tooth decay, gum disease such as gingivitis or periodontitis, and bad breath. How to use lemon. Gently brush your teeth with a little freshly squeezed lemon juice, then rinse thoroughly. Attention, repeat the operation only once a week, because if the acidity of the lemon eliminates tartar and plaque, it can also damage tooth enamel. In the same way, avoid consuming acidic foods such as coffee, sodas or refined sugar or aspartame products, for example. 2. Baking soda, the grandmother's technique for having all white teeth. Bicarbonate is a product to have absolutely at home, for the body, in the kitchen, or for the household. It intervenes in all the fields. Here, its functions are to smooth plaque, reduce it and eliminate the most persistent stains. Its assets, a natural, ecological and pure product. By its elements and its benefits for the body, it constitutes a substance of quality. It is the exfoliating care, but for the teeth. To use once a week, put a little powder on your toothbrush, result, teeth whiter in just a few rubs. 3. Tea tree essential oil, an ancestral and whitening plant. What is this thing? An oil made from tree leaves discovered by James Cook during the discovery of Australia. With his crew, they quickly realized that it had many virtues and that the natives used them to heal. In addition to these antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, it is a very good oral antiseptic. The color of your teeth will be whiter and sharper because of its active ingredients. 1 drop per week and per use is enough. Just put it on your toothpaste and even the most stubborn stains will not stay in place. 4. Coarse sea salt, these crystals will make you smile. Very strong in iodine, this treasure of Guerande is one of the most natural solutions to whiten your teeth. Known for its antifungal and antiseptic benefits, this white gold has it all. You were sure of its importance in the kitchen, but now you can also note that it can be useful in the bathroom. 5. An appointment with a specialist. To remove the most persistent stains, there are other more radical solutions but also more expensive. Go see an expert, a professional smile. These procedures are done by appointment to better study the dentition of patients and to agree the desired shade. You can whiten the color of your teeth in 3 shades, but this is not often for an indefinite period. 6. Natural tooth whitening with activated charcoal. Activated charcoal works wonderfully to erase stubborn stains on teeth. To apply it, cut a capsule of activated charcoal and pour the contents directly on your toothbrush. Brush your teeth, leave for 2 to 3 minutes, and rinse. The charcoal is obtained through the carbonization of several varieties of plants. No panic. It is a 100% edible product. To use it, you can add some on your toothpaste and wash your teeth normally. Alternatively, soak a slightly moistened cotton swab in powdered charcoal and apply it to your teeth and rub them one by one. Do not forget to rinse your teeth. A simple use once or twice a week will quickly have an effect. Precautions before whitening. It is imperative that the teeth are healthy, because the infiltration of the chemical product could trigger unwanted dental pain, or even necrosis of some decayed teeth. Also, we must ensure that there is no cavities before starting outpatient whitening treatment at home. The risk is ruled out if a dentist is called, because it will begin by examining all your teeth before starting whitening treatment. Treatment is not recommended in cases of dental hypersensitivity or in the presence of heavily worn teeth. Now you know how to have whiter teeth. If you have any particular question concerning how to have whiter teeth, please leave a comment below. To learn more about other ways to have whiter teeth, please click some links below this video. We really hope you got some value from this video. Please like it, leave a comment below, and share it with your friends. Also, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and activate the notification bell so that you won't miss our next videos. Wellness is life. Thank you.